Hello, ma'am. My name is Kashish Raikwar, and we are from India's first school media center, EFS School. So, can you introduce yourself first?
Hi, I'm Gopa Pandey from Indian Forest Service. I have retired for last 8 years, and now I'm just enjoying the beautiful city of Bhopal while living here.
So, how was your experience to visit this BLF?
Oh, this is a beautiful amalgam of intellectuals, writers, painters, and artists. Also, a great number of volunteers working here are very much in the learning process through the career ahead of their lives in their lives, and I'm sure it's going to benefit them in so many ways. There are well-known personalities from diplomatic background and defense background, literature background, bureaucratic background, administration, police, and academicians. They have all gathered here for the sixth time in this cultural capital of the country, and I'm sure the city is going to be projected as one of the very upscaling artfully in the national context. It's going to catch up with the media attention and attention of people visiting this congregation and giving their opinions on different fields and different aspects of life. I'm very happy that it's going so well, and especially the persons of students of your age who are attracted to it are exposed to different aspects of life through these parallel sessions of more than 50 different articulate and well-known famous personalities who will be sharing their views on different issues. I'm sure you are going to be benefited out of it.
So, what you learned from this BLF?
A lot of things I learned, right from history to geography to political sciences to sociology to science to ecology. Everything is an open counter across an open counter to learn from, and it's beautiful. We heard Usha Uthup yesterday. For 2 hours, a woman of that age spoke restlessly and just without any barrier to her presence and presence of mind with wits of her own. I mean, you can't describe that personality in just a line or two. She is unique. So she actually invigorated the whole public of about 3,000 people who were witnessing her program, and everybody was so charged that it was so hilarious to listen to her and see the people reacting to her speech or songs. It was really wonderful. Like Smita Nagdev, she was also a wonderful sitarist, and she encaptured everybody's attention for such a long time. And all the while, I was wondering how her fingers must be pained through those wires of sitar, all through playing with it. And then the classical music by, in the morning, the Saraswati Vandana by, that was also unique and marvelous. Enjoyed every bit of it. Enjoyed. Thank you very much. Thank you.